Picture this. You're grinding away at your desk, dreaming of that next promotion when an AI swoops in, does your job in 5 seconds flat, and leaves you wondering if you're about to be replaced by a robot with better hair. That's the wild ride of AI hitting job markets in 2025, and it's shaking things up faster than a blender on turbo. Today, we're diving into how AI's flipping the work game. Some jobs are toast, others are booming, and you've got a front row seat to prep for the future. I've got 7 key impacts to unpack with some chuckles, easy breakdowns, and tips to keep you ahead of the curve. Ready to level up for what's coming? Let's jump in. So what's the deal with AI and jobs? It's like a double-edged sword, cutting some roles while forging new ones in the fire of tech. The World Economic Forum says AI will zap 85 million jobs by 2025 but create 97 million fresh ones. Net gains, sure, but the shuffle's real. Think self-checkout kiosks, axing cashiers, or AI writers churning out blogs. Automation's on a roll. But it's not all doom. New gigs are popping up like tech popcorn, and you can crush it if you play smart. We're breaking down how AI is hitting the market and how you can own the future. Let's start with the big shakeup. Impact 1. Routine jobs are getting smoked. But you can pivot. AI loves repetitive tasks. Data entry, assembly lines, even basic customer service. If your gig's a copy-paste snooze fest, AI is eyeing it like a hawk with a laser pointer. McKinsey says 30% of routine work could be automated by 2025. Think robots folding shirts or bots answering, "Where's my package?" I'd be bummed if my job was just pressing buttons. Good thing I'm here talking to you legends. Pro tip, if you're stuck in a grind, pivot fast. Learn a skill AI can't touch, like creative problem solving, and level up your game. Don't let the bots catch you napping. Get ahead by thinking outside the spreadsheet. Impact 2. Creative jobs are morphing. They are not dying. Think AI's stealing your artsy thunder? Nah, it's more like a remix partner. Writers, designers, musicians. AI's co-creating in 2025, drafting scripts or mocking up logos faster than you can say coffee refill. Adobe reckons 30% of creative tasks will lean on AI. Think of it as your trusty sidekick, not a replacement. I'd have AI whip up a blog outline, then I'd sprinkle my charm. Teamwork makes the dream work. Impact 4 is going to flip how you see your paycheck. Don't bounce now. If you're a creator, team up with AI tools like Jasper and crush it. Your spark's still the star, so keep shining. Impact 3. Tech jobs are exploding. It is time to geek out. AI's birthing a job boom. Machine learning engineers, data scientists, cybersecurity pros, roles that didn't exist a decade ago are hot in 2025. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts 36% growth in data gigs alone. Ka-ching! Companies need humans to build, tweak, and guard AI systems. Robots can't do it all yet. I'd love coding a bot to fetch my snacks. Peak efficiency right there. Pro tip, if you're tech curious, dive into Python or cloud skills. Start today and own those future paydays. The tech train's leaving the station. Hop on and ride it to the top. Impact 4. Soft skills are your superpower. I can't touch them. Here's the twist. AI's a whiz at numbers, but it's clueless about heart. Jobs needing empathy, leadership, or that human vibe, like coaching, negotiating, or inspiring teams, are gold in 2025. LinkedIn says 92% of execs want soft skills over tech chops. Crazy, right? Picture AI crunching stats while you rally the crew. Perfect combo. I'd lean on my charm to lead. AI can't crack jokes like me. Impact 6 is a wild ride. Stick with Peak Performer Zone to see it. If you're a people person, flex those skills. AI's got no game there, so level up and shine. Impact 5. Upskilling's the name of the game. Don't sleep on it. AI's moving fast, and 2025 job markets reward the quick learners. Routine gigs are fading, so you've got to adapt. Think of it like leveling up in a video game, but the prize is your career. Deloitte says 54% of workers will need new skills by next year. Coding, critical thinking, even basic AI know-how. I'd hit up a quick course on data analysis. Beats being left in the dust. Hard truth, if you're not growing, you're not peaking. Check out platforms like Coursera or Udemy and crush that learning curve. Stay sharp, fam. It's your ticket to the top. Impact 6. Remote work's getting a turbo boost. Thanks AI, AI's juicing up remote gigs in 2025. Agents handle meetings, track projects, and keep you sane from your couch. Gartner says 40% of remote work will lean on AI tools. Think virtual assistants that don't roll their eyes at your 3 a.m. emails. Picture this. Your AI schedules a Zoom, preps your slides, and you roll in like a boss, all from your PJs. I'd have mine mute my mic when I'm munching chips. Peak professionalism. Impact 7's gonna flip your whole future vibe. Don't miss it. If you love freedom, ride this AI remote wave. Start mastering tools like Slack's AI integrations and own it. Impact 7. New industries are born, and they're weirdly awesome. AI sparking whole new fields. Think AI ethics consulting, metaverse design, or sustainability tech. Jobs we can't even pronounce yet are popping up. Oxford Economics says 20% of 2025 roles will be unpredictable innovators. Picture managing AI therapists or building virtual malls, straight out of a sci-fi flick. I'd jump into metaverse gigs. Virtual tacos sound like my kind of hustle. Pro tip, if you're itching to pioneer, sniff out these niches. Start exploring AI trends and level up for the wild ride ahead. The future's yours. Grab it. That's the scoop, Peak Performer Zone crew. 7 ways AI's rocking job markets and how you can prep for 2025. From smoked routines to born industries, it's your chance to peak while the world scrambles. Which impacts got you rethinking your hustle? Want more on riding this AI wave? Check out our vid, AI Agents in 2025, how they are changing everything. Next, it's packed with future-proof gold. Catch you there. Go own that future, fam.